Why are you going to Paris?
For work.
Work or vacation?
Maybe both.
I want to buy water.
I want snacks.
Why is airport food so expensive?
Because the food is also flying.
Haha.
Hello.
How much is this water?
$2.
That is okay.
This chocolate is $5.
WHAT? Is it made of gold?
Maybe.
Are you nervous?
A little.
Me too.
Don't worry, planes are safe.
I am scared of heights.
Then don't look down.
Good advice. That's my flight.
Go, run, don't miss it.
I am not running.
Okay, walk fast.
Boarding pass, please. Here it is.
Welcome.
Thank you. Where is seat 12A?
By the window. Best seat. Can I help with your bag?
Yes, please.
Wow, still heavy. Did you add more things?
No.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay.
Would you like something to drink?
Water, please.
Here you are.
How long is the flight?
About 7 hours.
7 hours. I will sleep.
Or watch movies.
Yes, or eat all the snacks.
Careful, don't eat too much.
Too late. It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
You are very funny.
Thank you. I try my best.
Have a great trip.
You too.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget your bag this time.